Gurudev. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is Glimpse of the Past, written by S.D. Sawant. S.D. Sawant born 31st August 1940 and died on 19th September 2002. He was an Indian novelist in the Marathi language. He was known as Mrutyunjayakar, meaning maker of Mrutyunjay. He held the post of the Vice President of Maharashtra Sahitya Parishad since 1995. He was President of Baroda Sahitya Sammelan in 1983. So why we have to do the study of this lesson? So objectives: to enable the students to understand the British reign in India. Learner gets the knowledge about some freedom fighters from the given text. To enable the students to write the events in order. The learner feels the love and respect for the country and patriots. Key points: it is the history of our country during 1757 to 1857. India was under British rule during this period. India princes were dethroned by the British East India Company. Indian people led the miserable life during this period in every field. Many learned men gathered and together the people of India and told them to against the British Raj. In 1875, a revolt outbroke and result of the revolt paved the way to the first freedom fight against British rule in India. Now, we will go to the lesson which is given as speech bubbles. In the first picture, the martyrs. At the function in Delhi, Lata Mangeshkar sang a patriotic song, "O my countrymen, let your eyes fill with tears," as you recall the sacrifices the Indians martyrs. Do you know which song it is? It is English translation of "ए मेरे वतन के लोगो." She called upon the Indians to recall with tearful eyes the sacrifices of Indian freedom fighters. The second part, the company's conquest. In India of 1757, the East India Company was in a strong position compared to the Indian princes. They had superior weapons. Besides, Indian princes were short-sighted in their approach to the event of the time. Indian princes were fighting each other. They often sought the help of the company to defeat other princes. This worked in favor of the company. It could easily subdue these princes one after the other. However, the brave Tipu Sultan of Mysore fought the British. He died in the battlefield fighting the English. The general reaction to the British rule was not the same everywhere in India. There were some who thanked British for ushering in an era of peace. Others bemoaned that the country was subjected to foreign rule. Part 3rd, the British rule, 1765-1836. The social fabric was in bad shape. Religious leaders preached absurd practices like untouchability and child marriage. In truth, Indians had lost their self-respect. The British scorned them. The farmer and the artist were the worst hit. Heavy taxes ruined the farmers. The British cut the thumbs of expert artisans. The British used every method to make maximum profit. The imports from England became tax-free. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, 1772-1833. Ram Mohan Roy understood what was wrong with the country. He tried to reform the society. He taught people that the main precepts of all religions were the same. He emphasized the practical use of knowledge. He went to England. There, he reminded the British that rule too had a duty towards their subjects. He started newspapers in India. The suspicious British stopped them in 1823. Part 5 Operation 1765 1835. In 1818, a resolution was passed. Under it, an Indian could be jailed without trial in a court. The British officers drew large salaries. Besides, they made fortunes in business. By 1829, Britain was exporting goods worth 7 crore rupees to India. Even the British Governor General of India, Bentinck, reported to England. The bones of cotton weavers are bleaching to the plains of India. Thus, the British prospered on the ruins of Indian industry. Part 6 Dissatisfaction 1835 till 56. In 1835, Lord Macaulay suggested that the medium of education in India should be English. The proposal was carried. The aim was to produce an army of clerks to assist the British. It happened, but it also produced a new generation of intellectuals. Some of them tried to educate the masses. Some decided to convey the grievances of the people to the British Parliament. By 1856, the British were ruling the whole of India. Now, they cared little about Indians' needs. The dissatisfaction in the public began to grow. People wanted to get rid of the British. The Sparks 1855 till 57. Under the new rules, Santals had become desperate in 1855. They rose in rebellion and killed the Europeans and their servants alike. The discontent was brewing in the East India Company's army too. Sepoy Mangal Pandey attacked the adjutant of his regiment and he was executed. The English did not care about Indian customs. Chapatis were sent from village to village. With them was the message that their native emperor would want their services. Similarly, a lotus flower was circulated among Indian soldiers. The masses also gave all help the support. Part 8 Revolt 1857. The revolt started at Meerut. The sepoy who had revolted marched to Delhi. They were shouting slogans in favor of Bahadur Shah Zafar. The rebellion spread wider. Many landlords had lost their lands. They helped the revolt. Part 9 The Fight for Freedom 1857. Many rulers like Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The English had taken away their kingdom. Popular leaders like Maulavi Ahmadullah of Faizabad urged the common man to revolt. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope to make Nana Sahib the leader of that war of independence. All over North Indian, the people fought pitches battles against the British. 80 years old Kuwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. He just cut it off, throwing into the Ganga. He said that it was his last offering. Now, must be you understood the lesson. New words from this lesson. Martyrs. A person who undergoes death. Bhagat Singh was a great martyr. Destiny. Power believed to control events. Man is the maker of his own destiny. untouchability, restriction on touching. Sentence: untouchability is a sin against society. Misery: great suffering. He is living in misery and want. Now homework: read lesson carefully and write words meaning and make own sentences. Collect biographies of some freedom fighters in India. Write question answers of page number 45, 46, 47, 48 in copy. You can take help of a link which we given before.